guys, it's currently 8:30 and I have a super busy day, so come along with me today. I do start my day with 3 back-to-back meetings, so I'm just gonna start by quickly getting ready for that. I quickly came to grab a coffee before my meetings because I need one. A medium, that's it.
Hi, how are you? Good. You need that whole time. I think tomatoes, vegetables.
Why don't we just, yeah, and then there's like different, it's either things that they're,
Say because the way that's a different look as well.
okay.
Also,
Oh, did you?
or where you want
It more like
agreement, you can take.
kind of like what's the,
Hi, how are you? Thinking it was a choice.
oh, it's still,
We do see.
okay, so now that all the meetings are done, I do have to head in to do the orders. It does take me a couple of hours, so right now is the time I go in. Okay, so now that I'm in, I'm gonna quickly print the orders and then get to packing. Okay, now we just have a little small shipment of all of our adhesives, so I'm just gonna put these away. Okay, so I'm officially done with all the orders and unpacking our glue. Now I'm just gonna head home and work from home.